If you need to block someone on Agoda, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure and your interactions are limited. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Agoda website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account where you want to block someone. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, navigate to your profile or account settings. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen, represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find the blocked users section. In your account settings, look for a section related to privacy or blocked users. This may vary depending on updates, so explore the options until you find the relevant area. Step 4. Add the user to the block lists. In the blocked users section, you should see an option to add a user. Enter the username or email address of the person you wish to block and confirm the action. Step 5. Save changes. After adding the user to your block list, make sure to save any changes. This will ensure that the user is effectively blocked from contacting you or interacting with your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage your interactions on Agoda and maintain your preferred level of privacy.